Hi, it's me. What's up guys? Welcome back to another EVS vlog. I am Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew, and let's get the day started, guys. Oh guys, doing this again, dude. Every single day. This is like a thing now, isn't it? First off, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. It's been about a week now that we've been vlogging on a daily basis, so let's keep it going. Make sure you like, rate, subscribe, share this vlog with all your friends and family, and let them know, hey, there's a new vlogger in town, and his name is Renaissance Man. But anyways, guys, let's get started, okay? Okay. It's a little bit quieter today, isn't it? I think the crickets are gone. Oh, I'll show you more on this in a little bit. But first, let's go check on the boy who lives in the back. Will! He said that every single time. Will is helping us get ready for a photo shoot with this Model X. This is the one we did not too long ago, as you remember. So, whenever we do a big project like this one, we like to take photos. Once it leaves, we never see it again. So we like to remember the project, remember the car and all the work and blood and sweat and tears we put into it. So, that's what we're doing today. Thanks, Will, for helping us with the wash, by the way. What do you mean, no? You know what time it is, right? It's time for Just a Tip, Just a Tip, Just a Tip with me.
When washing a car, use foam as lubrication. Don't forget the rear, that's the most important part.
Guys, I have a little fun lesson today for you. I've shown you good carbon fiber, right? I've shown you that. You've seen plenty of that on this channel. I haven't shown you bad carbon fiber yet because, well, we don't really see too much of that. But today, it's your lucky day. We got bad carbon fiber. Guys, I hate to see stuff like this. I really do. But it's so much fun to just inspect it. All right, so guys, this is an aftermarket carbon fiber piece for you, those of you who don't know. This is a mirror cap on an E92 M3. As you can tell, it is not looking too bueno. Just covering some of the tips that I mentioned in a previous vlog about looking for carbon fiber, this pretty much hits all of them. So what I mean is, one, you can see the clear coat is failing. All of this, all of that, is clear coat failure. It happens just being in the sun for too long, for many months, possibly a couple of years or so, and then this starts happening. So this is bad clear coat. As you can tell, it's just cracking up top here. This is gonna spread. It's gonna spread all the way till it's all gone. And it's, I don't know, this is bubbling? What is that? It's, I don't know, maybe those are rock chips, but this is definitely clear coat failure up top here. And I don't know if you can see because it is kind of bright, but it is yellowing. It is a goldish hue, especially up here already. And it's, down here is not so bad, but up here it is. Most likely because the sun hits this more than it hits the bottom. So there's gonna be a huge discoloration if it hasn't happened yet, but it's already happening right here. And look at the fitment. Look at the fitment on this. So this is look at the fitment on this. So this is obviously where the mirror ends, right? But there's about a good 1/4 inch gap that runs all the way through. And look at that stop right there. It's like, nah, I'm good right here, don't worry. I don't need to go any further. And then of course the fitment is also bad along all the way to the end. I mean, you just see a gap all the way through. At least it's a consistent gap, right? But it's just no bueno. And it's not just this mirror too. There's also the hood vents as well. This is also aftermarket. This is looking way worse. So the clear coat has failed all along, and even here too. It's not even shiny anymore. It's cracking, it's rough, it's ripply. It's not looking good. It's already yellowing. The fitment is a lot better, right? It's a lot better of fitment. There's not much of a gap per se like the mirror, but I mean, you can just see all this. All of this is ripply and it's just cracked. Let's check the other one. Oh, this one is missing. All right, let's look at this side. So this one is a little bit worse. As you can see, more clear coat failure up top here, which is pretty obvious, right? Because the sun's coming down on this thing. Clear coat failure here. Look at the fitment. It's just not good. So this is typical eBay aftermarket. Now, I'm not saying that everything on eBay is bad, but generally they're bad. The fitment looks way worse on this one, actually. The gap here is way bigger, it looks like. Okay, so you're probably thinking, okay, hey, well, got it. I get the freaking point. Don't buy eBay carbon fiber. Very good, very good. But I also hear what the other half is saying, which is, hey, what? I got it already. It's too late. I have it. What do I do now? How do I make sure the ClearGuard doesn't fail on me? If it's already failing on you, or you're afraid it will fail on you, this is what you can do. You can always re-clear it now that you have it. What I mean is you just take it to a painter, they'll re-clear it, and just make sure you pay someone who does it right, meaning they put a nice thick layer so you actually have a good clear coat. But then that leads to another thing. We now have to talk about, who do you bring your carbon fiber to? Unfortunately, not all body shops are the same, which is good and bad, right? If they don't do it right, they can still do you a disservice. And what I mean by that is, let me show you. Do you guys see this? So if you're not familiar with M3s, this is a OEM carbon fiber hood. This is what comes with the car. Why am I slapping like this? This roof is OEM. This M3 had the roof re-cleared. They got into an accident or something like that, but unfortunately, they took it to a body shop that re-cleared it, but something happened, it didn't come out right, and as you can tell, even though the carbon fiber is OEM and is high quality, the clear coat is not, and it started, I don't even know, bubbling? I don't know what this is. It just started discoloring now, and that's not the only one. These popped up, these popped up there, and that one popped up right here too. It's disgusting. Clear coat peeling, discoloring in the right body shop. Oh my God, so much stuff. Hey. It's gonna be okay, okay? If you're in Houston and you need help with this, just contact us. But if you're elsewhere and you don't know what to do, well, best of luck. Guys, it's October. You know what that means, right? Dead leaves falling, Halloween, pumpkin spice latte. So we're gonna put up some decorations today to spice up the shop. Ooh, pumpkin spice up the shop, you know? Cause hey, you know, we basic as we do this every year, so let's get started.
So you're gonna dress this dummy up, sit it around wherever, you know, and then just do whatever.
Okay, that's cool.
You know? And this year is Pennywise, so we're doing Pennywise.
So I've been doing a lot of wheel unboxings, and that's cool, that's fun, right? We're a car shop, we should be doing that. But because it's October, I wanna change things up. We're doing something different. We are unboxing a posable dummy prop. So let's get started. And keep in mind, just because this is not a wheel does not change the fact that my standards of quality and expectations will be diminished in any way, shape, or form. I'm still gonna rate this as if it was a wheel. And these are the available specs for the dummy, just like on a wheel. You got all the options you can do. Okay, so he can stand, he can sit again, and he can sit again. I'm used to wheel boxes having tape. Oh, cool, just like a wheel box. It has like a cover on top. Nice. Holy shit! Oh my God, that is so scary. Ooh.
He said, "What I can't do is obviously just put it in." So I'm buying like, I think I'm buying like 5. Even if I don't use it, if I sell it, I can sell it like. So yeah, you should pick like 5 stuff.
I'm trying to find a place I could put him down so you guys can see him. I could do a review of him. Oh, I have an idea. All right, guys. So this is Spirit's posable dummy prop. As you can see, this is a 20 by 6 feet tall dummy. This is a really unique finish. It's really clean, as you can tell. They call it a satin pale white finish. It's really neat, it's really clean. The cool thing with this finish is it'll match any car, whether your car is white, black, blue, red, green, silver, it all matches because of this pale satin white you see here. Offset is yet to be determined. Do you imagine walking into your house and you see this? You see this sitting there waiting for you like, welcome home. All right, let's dress up the dummy.
I thought you, so you don't get parts from them? Well, I don't know. I'm assuming he's never this. Okay, just do that. I don't need this other.
Dustin the dummy is chilling in the Mustang. Got his hand on the steering wheel and his other hand on 5th gear. And he looks like he's just living it. Guys, I've shown you so many times what the Satin Guard Model X looks like inside the shop. But let me show you for the first time what it looks like outside. We're letting it cure right now. Do you see that satin sheen like right here when the light hits it and like right there? Look at that white. It looks so nice. It's like, hey, I'm a little different, but you know, I ain't trying to flex or anything. All right, so we did Photosync 70 on all the side windows in the back. As you can tell, It is super clear, guys. Client want to be able to see in, see out without any issues, because this will give him the heat rejection that he wants. It seems really crazy how this is so light and it would block so much heat, but trust me, it blocks a lot of heat. So now that we're done with the Photosync tint, we're actually not done with this car yet. We are gonna wrap the entire car in ClearGuard Nano. That's right, the entire car. Every panel. This panel. This panel. This panel. This panel. This, and this, and that, and this as well. Rock chips, scratches, daily mishaps, what I call them, you know, like door dings or shopping carts or anything you might brush up against, or people opening the doors and their bags hitting the doors, the luggage, things like that. That's all gonna be avoided with ClearGuard Nano. So if you guys are interested in that, if that sounds like something you want in your car, whether you have a Tesla or not, comment down below, email us. Our address or information is in the description below. Just let me know how we can help you, okay? Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Join the EVS crew, like, rate, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and if you want us to help you with your car, email us, comment down below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Peace.